Before we start to create a scenario, it is important that you are familiarized with the features you have at your disposal. First, let's have a look at the Remix panel. To open this panel, you must point your cursor on an object in the scene. When the option appears on your controller, press the Remix button. Welcome to the Remix panel. It lets you modify an object's parameters, such as its position, its rotation, and its scale. With the button on the top left, the Remix panel gives you access to our visual programming tool. Click on this button, then close the Remix panel. On the scenario canvas, you have several features available at your disposal. You can close the canvas, zoom in or out, and finally, access the Constellation tool. Open the Constellation tool. Scenario nodes allow you to add interactions with objects in your scene. For example, you can add object references, which allow you to have a nodal representation of your object in the scenario. You can also add a variety of interactions by navigating through the nodes collection. We will experiment with some of them during this masterclass. The last feature we're going to learn about is called Preview Mode. This mode allows you to test the interactions created in the Visual Programming tool. To enter Preview Mode, point the screen on the watch attached to your wrist and then click on the eye icon. When you click on this icon, you will then be transported to your Preview Mode. Your controllers will then be devoid of your control panel. This mode is only used to enjoy your experience and test the interactions you have just programmed. We will be experimenting with the Preview Mode in the next tutorials. In the meantime, let's go back to the Creation mode by clicking once more on the watch and then the Creation icon. We now have all the necessary knowledge to start creating our scenarios.